Hey, I'm thinking you finna show me a real clip. That shit was AI. That shit ain't structured.
Hello, world.
No!
I ain't gonna lie, bro. We taking a road trip to ATL, man. We finna run from GSP.
Is that the Grim Reaper?
I'm just joking. We not running from GSP.
Yeah, I know.
Unless I have no other option. Then I would run from GSP.
That don't work.
Hey, bro, shut the fuck up. Y'all got where y'all live? Where y'all live at? Where y'all watching me from? We finna go in here and get a phone charger because Mopar is so shady, bro. I've been driving BMW for way too long, bro. Wireless Apple CarPlay, that shit, you need a cord, and that's newer than my fucking BMWs. We finna go in here and get a charger, bro. I need Apple CarPlay on this road trip. I'm not going out like that whole. Jesus Christ, man. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's getting cold outside, bro. I gotta. Nah, I take more than that, gang. I know it take more than that. Hold on.
Nice.
Oh. Keep drinking. Drink up. Drink up. I'm about to pay for this gas and get on the road, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm on the road, man. Okay. Hey, I won't believe this shit, man. I done went in there, bought the wrong charger. Stupid. Thinking it was for my BMW, bro. God damn, man. Cars are 2022. Why are we still using this USB, bro? Yo, switch to the Type C, bro. Come on, bro. God damn. Y'all boys, I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna sit right here and a lot of y'all and tell y'all how tired I am, but I'm not really even that tired, man. So basically, man, niggas is at Hellcat, bro, and I did miss the homecoming for the 6th year in a row. I always miss Hellcat homecoming. Then every time I see they have a homecoming, I see they get the shooting. That ain't really my stilo, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I don't really be feeling like going. Next stop is Charlotte. I do, when I take road trips, I do break them up in increments. I'll do 2 hours to one location. I'll do 2 hours to another location. I'll do maybe 3 or 4 hours to another location. Like, don't be feeling like driving the whole way. Like, that's torturous, bro. The fact that I don't have my M5 right now means I don't have lane assist, the massaging seats, driver assistance, the luxury audio premium sound system, Bowers & Wilkins.
Oh, brother.
I know BMW is the greatest. I'm not shitting on Mopar because this shit is fun as fuck. But it makes the drive a lot harder. Enough yapping. We finna get in the car. We can get this montage done and we finna go to the next spot. So let's do it. Next stop, Charlotte. Nigga, let's get it.
I was down bad on my dick. I was fucked up in the head. The doctor told me to take my meds. My mama told me I won't write my baby mama on my ass. My little cousin, I'm the one. My big brother told me to try.
Yeah, so I was trying to get my montage, but these girls started flagging me down. So I was finna ignore them. But I just think they're walking over here now. What the fuck? The fuck? Yo. Oh, I got you.
Nice.
Yeah, I just stole this shit. Yeah, on God. Yeah, on God, yeah. No.
Wait.
What's going on, twin?
I couldn't see. Hey.
Hey, y'all gonna say something to my vlog? Y'all on vlog. I appreciate you, bro. It's dirty as hell, huh?
We're not worried about that. We dirty.
Damn, tight.
I saw us standing over there.
Nah, I can't. I just got a tenant. I can't see shit. I ain't gonna lie. I can just see the road and police. That's really it. Oh God. I ain't gonna lie. The college girl was like,
Can you wrap your engine?
I'm like,
No!
keep drinking. Drink up. Alright, man. Fuck it. Like, I ain't tripping.
Don't do drugs.
No, like, no weird shit. Like, I'm not racist or anything, but obviously black people love this car more and white people love my M5 more, which is just like so stereotypical, but it's facts. It's just facts. It's facts. G-Size, is it not facts?
Sam MCM, my ABC, TRPKIDK, I ain't get the wrong ID. My bitch be my WCE, I'm in that BMW and SRT.
Hey, buddy, you need a ride? I was just on my way to the big doofus convention.
Holy Jesus, guys. We made it to Charlotte. Serving is out of my little bitch erotic. I'm spiking my ballot, but Chris and me off of my fucking made it to Charlotte, bro. Jesus Christ. It really wasn't that far. It was actually further going to Greensboro than it was going to the other one, but definitely made it to Charlotte. There go the damn police right there. They looking at me, per usual, looking at the Hellcat. But Charlotte be feeling like my second home sometimes, man. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I fuck with Charlotte heavy. I actually thought about moving out here. There's still a possibility that I might move out here too. I don't know.
So, dude, what's going on and shit?
I was going that way. I'm gonna stop there. This a one-way street? I can't, bro. How I want to turn? I can't make a right or a left. Niggas want me to turn straight.
May God have mercy.
Bro, look at that building. Oh my God. Bro, Charlotte's tough. I think I've been here before though. I was on this street before. Oh God. This shit like a mini Atlanta. It's like a DC and Atlanta mixed together. Like, I don't know. It's different. I think they got sculptures and shit. Shit. Come on, twin. Charlotte's so tough. I wish I had friends in Charlotte, bro. I'd come out here more often. Oh God, if a nigga had friends in Charlotte, I'd come out here more often. That boy got a hat. Gotta keep my eye on that. Huh? Appreciate that, fam.
They gave me a $5 scratch off, but I'm trying to get it for a couple dollars so I get some food.
Oh, I ain't got no money on me though. Let me see if I got some change. Hold on. Oh shit. No, I thought I had change. I ain't got any change, man.
You got cash out?
There's no way out of this. You're done.
Cash out? You take cash out?
Yeah, I'm real with you. The autos inside, they keep me at the shelter, okay? So I'm trying to raise $22. I got a $45 drop so I can get me a room tonight. And if I get $20, they last me for $22, give me a room for 2 days. You just don't want to help me.
Hey, one more time.
If you woke up broke, your ass should have never went to sleep.
Nah, so the thing was, right? This the thing. Y'all probably think like, damn, Vontae, you fucked up, bro. So I had a thing of change right here, right? Like, that whole thing is full of change. But it melted because it was in a candle. So when I went to go give him some change, my fingers got drenched in the... That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I wish I could have helped bro out. I ain't gonna lie. But hey, I can't help you but so much, twin. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta help my goddamn self, nigga. Times is tough. I gotta put gas in this heavy motherfucker. Shit, I'm just running red lights now. I don't want nobody running up on me now. Nigga, run them red lights. Fuck it, boys. Gang, every time I come to Charlotte, they always take me to the wrong side, bro. They take me to the side that is the opposite side of the Panther Stadium. I want to go to the side where the Panther Stadium at. Can I just take the whole? Okay, I kind of know where I'm at a little bit. Ain't gonna lie. I'm learning as I go. I done been to Charlotte about 4-5 times now. I should know where the fuck I'm going. Hey, baby. Nothing. Shit, I'm chilling. What you doing? Yeah, let me get your number. Oh my freaking goodness. It's the most beautiful thing I ever seen. Bye bye. There's a black one. It's ebony. It's an ebony one. Yeah, I didn't watch a little bit more. I didn't watch a little bit too much X videos.
Oh, Mr. Beast!
My bad. That's all good though. Damn, they got me boxed in. Hold on, what the fuck going on? I'm boxed in. Oh God, they got me boxed in. Hold on, let me get up out of here, twin. All right, y'all boys. So man, the next stop is Greensville, North Carolina. I'm not gonna lie. If y'all live in Greensville, North Carolina, hit my jack because I'm finna be there right fucking now. So yeah, let's do it. Guess guess what, guys? We ran out of fucking gas.
Sorry.
Fuck you. What the fuck are you doing? Why you fucking coming fast?
That car got so much aura, bro. I love it. Both of my cars got aura, nigga. The M5, I gotta get them together. I gotta get them on a POV drive or something. Where's the bathroom, bro? I ain't been to a QT in so long, bro. I missed this shit. I'm like, yeah, we finna go to the bathroom. Y'all gonna take y'all with me. You know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't weird. We bonding. That's how we bond. We go to the bathroom together. So all my ladies, y'all go in here. All the guys, y'all come in here with me. So let's do it. I'm trolling. I'm just trolling. That shit overly hard, nigga. Alright, man. 4 a.m. Snack Chronicles. This is what I got, bro. I got the Takis, this water I never heard of, this spring water, so I'm gonna fuck with it. And I got 4 glizzies.
Let me tell you something. Go home and get the gun.
They not really glizzies, though. They like meat sticks.
Why are you gay?
So we just made it to Greenville, South Carolina. And this place is beautiful. I've actually never been here before. I always rode through, but I've never been. So now we done made it to Greenville, South Carolina, which I've never actually been here before. I just always rode past on the highway. But I'm on Main Street, which I guess every downtown has like a Main Street or whatever. But y'all, I ain't gonna cap. I'm tired. Tired, not even a word. I don't know how much further we got to go to Atlanta, but Atlanta is technically our next stop, so yeah. As soon as I get to the end, it's gonna be morning time, so I'll probably be up the whole time. Y'all wanna hear some supercharger? Hold on. How's the road trip looking like it's going, guys? Not gonna lie, I'm tired. Hella tired.
We don't care.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what this is or if they have it all year round with these lights and stuff, but it's beautiful. It really is beautiful. ATL is 2 hours and 30 minutes away, bro. ETA is like 8:05. All right, y'all, so we basically just got to Atlanta. We're 40 minutes away from Lenox Mall, so we damn near already here, bro. And vlog's not over. We're gonna do some little things before we end the vlog. So man, make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all when the sun come up, cause I ain't gonna lie, I was overly tired and I thought I was gonna take a nap and I didn't take a nap. So yeah, Grandpa's angry, but it's all good. We're gonna keep pushing. We got 38 minutes left. I'm gonna catch y'all when the sun come up and we get parked up, man. So let's do it. All right, y'all. So man, niggas didn't pull up at Target, bro. Early as fuck in the morning. They just opened. It is 7:59. 7:59. These niggas open at 8. The lady opened the doors at 7:59. I walked through the door. Excuse me, you gotta wait till 8. Bitch, 30 seconds? Damn. You won't let a nigga in this bitch for 30 seconds? That's tough. That's tough. 30 seconds, son. Bro, by the time I turn back around and walk out the door, it's 8. Some people just be so miserable, bro. Please, y'all, if y'all watching this, if y'all not a doctor or a police officer, don't take your job that serious, bro. It's not that big, dude. 30 seconds me walking in just to use the bathroom. That's literally all I had to do. I just had to use the bathroom. I'm not even buying shit. Like, shut the fuck up, shit. All right, y'all, boys. So I did take me a little nap in the whip, man. When I called, my 2 homeboys, none of them answered the phone. So, L homeboys, and both of y'all got Hellcat, so y'all know what it's like to be stranded with a Hellcat. But it's all good though, cause I ain't too worried about it. I got some good ass sleep, so hell yeah, a little nappy nap, motherfucker. Ain't nothing crazy going on, but shit, niggas is in the A, man. Every day I'm grinding, working for y'all boys, so make sure y'all stay tuned. We got some crazy videos coming soon. I love y'all boys. I appreciate y'all if y'all made it this far. Comment Target. I'm definitely about to hit my mark, nigga. Yeah. Love y'all boys. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Gone. Peace.
Took
shit, I wanna learn my lesson. They was just skipping my shit like ass.